Kiruach Yisro, they sow the wind, the Sofosa Yitzoro, and reap the whirlwind. This has been gone into, it entered into the English usage, becomes a pronoun. So Ruach Yisro means what they, you sow the wind, which means nothing, which is a meaningless thing. And actually the picture is taken from a farmer who sows, spreads the seed in the field on a very windy day. So instead of the seed falling into the ground, it falls somewhere else, because you sow into the wind, and so it means something worthless. The whole egel was nothing to begin with. So you could say, well, if it's worthless, it's ridiculous, it's nonsense, but it's harmless. This is not so. It's not harmless. It's ridiculous nonsense, the whole idol worship of the egel. So it's nonsense. But the consequences are extremely destructive. You sow the wind, meaningless, sown into the wind, but you reap the whirlwind, which means a hurricane is the result. The most destructive thing, don't laugh it off. You could say, laugh off someone as what the Shaddais worship idols, and it's ridiculous. No, it's ridiculous. Surely it's ridiculous if you do it, but the results are fatal. Now, if it continues that picture, you sow into the wind, and most of the kernels fall on the way. Now, a few may get into the ground, at Koma England, but there won't be any stalks. Nothing will grow out of it. But suppose there will be some stalks. Semach, bli yasekim, like little hind. Said Semach, bli yasekim. In other words, it'll grow, but it doesn't produce any flower. Now, ulai yase, but even if it would even produce some flower, Zorin Yivlur, they will come strangers and they swallow it up. Which means completely unsuccessful. First of all, it's self-destructive. Secondly, the little bit which is, there may be eventually a small successes once in a great while, but even then, if it would happen, the enemy will take it away.